just like we cannot reduce the voltage of the sun as we feel hot. So sir, reducing the population is not an option, I think.
All for joining here for this debate, and I am on its against. Not only me, but the whole country is against on it. Affects our opposition. Who thinks population is good for our country? If yes, so why the UP government is making a policy of two-child? Government has most intelligent ISPSs who have to study on it and suggest to government for it.
Good morning to you all. Myself Lalit Dwivedi. I'm a student of class 8 and I am totally favor in this topic. I'm requesting my judges, please listen me, and I'm respecting my class fellows' word. I'm totally against this topic. That she's saying that whole country is against the population. If your words are right, can you tell me which is the most populated country in the world?
China.
If China is the most populated country in the world, is it still development or is it still developed or not?
It is developed. Yes, I want to say.
It is developed because China have used their population as a positive manner and they have used their population in a productive manner, not as a negative point for their society and country. So it is my suggestion, my country should also use their population as a productive manner, not as a negative point for our youngsters. Thank you.
If we're talking about China, so their government is using their population for a productional manner, and their 99.6% of people are literate. Yeah, 99.6%.
If you are talking about
in
illiteracy,
India,
if you are talking about illiteracy, that population is the not biggest issue of illiteracy. The biggest issue of our country is poverty, not poverty and population. But the biggest issue is untrained skill and undevelopment of education. We are not getting each and every information about our loans and facilities. As Government of India has launched many schemes like students loan, student cost, chief cost education for poor students, and we are not getting benefits of that due to lack of information provided to the public. Thank you.
what I am saying, availability is less and population is rich. That's why we're not getting.
We cannot say that availability is less. How you can say that availability is less? Can you define your terms?
Of course, here are many teachers in this class. Teachers have also joined it, and I know most of the teachers have give their name in government job, but this the
You total was are in. My teachers are well trained. That's why they are joining us and they are training us. If they will have no knowledge about them, then how they will train us? So the main topic is unskilled development, not the population. We can use population as according to China as a productive manner, not a negative point for our society. Do you want to say something?
I support my friend line.
and for unemployment.
Yes, I'm totally favoring this.
But how?
I'm giving an example. In Ladakh, there is lot of uranium found in Ladakh, but there is no way to find out that uranium. So according to me, Government of India should establish some industries or plant to find out that uranium. And through that way, more and more people will be employed there and we will found a great resource. And it will be very essential for our economy and society also.
Please repeat that. What are you saying?
How you can say that population is the biggest issue of our country? Define your term, please.
By increasing population, there will be the shortage of land, which is very big problem. There
I
will
Can I
be
define
also
also?
I think experts are dedicating toward natural resources.
Can I
I
can I also
have given
define?
an example of uranium in Ladakh.
to understand that what you are saying.
Abhinav, you can speak.
Can I define?
There is a lot of uranium found in Ladakh, but there is no way to find out that uranium. So we can use our population, we can use our youngsters as a productive manner through the government of India.
But we don't have a technology for that.
So it is not better that population increases the technology. If you are talking about China and America, America is the third populated country in the world, but it is the most developed country in each and every field. Then how you can say that it is the biggest issue of that country?
I support my friend line. I support my friend line.
Can you define your terms?
First thing is that it is not the biggest issue that population increases, because if the population decrease, then the old age people will increase. The population of young people will decrease, which will affect the working age population. Example: Japan is facing the growing society problem.
Yes, that is the main source of Japan, that there is less number of population.
Yes.
And there are more youngsters present in India. We already have youngsters in India.
So that's why I'm talking about. I'm giving an example of Guddu. Let me clear my point first. I'm giving an example of Guddu Mistry. He is a mechanic of Barabanki and is a very famous mechanic of here. But he have not taken any kind of IIT engineering, ITI engineering, or BTech engineering. But he is well developed in their mind progress. So government of India should collect that kinds of people. They could train other people, and after that training they could also start their businesses. Then how you can say that population is the biggest issue? He is not thinking population.
So why the government is making a policy of 2 child? Yes.
Have you think about the policy of China? Why China has unbanned that their policies?
But I am talking.
First thing I want to tell that in 1779 China introduced the one child policy, which is being implemented in China for 37 years. In 2016 the China introduced second child policy. In 2021 China introduced third child policy.
Then how you can say that population is the biggest issue of that country?
Yes, there are many ways.
You are saying that if population will increase, so the youngsters will also increase. So what are youngsters of our country doing? They are not doing anything. They are not. We cannot
You will be
compare
also
them.
a youngster. Then what you want to do? We want to say something better.
Please
Like I'm
listen
giving
to
an
me.
example of Corona period, that there was lockdown in each and every case, but our scientists and our doctors was not free at that time. They were finding a solution of that problem. So we need to find a solution of that problem. Not we need to stay like a lockdown.
Now can you listen to me? Can I say something?
You can absolutely say something.
I am saying that India has most youngster. There are most youngsters in our country, but it is not well maintained. China has not most youngsters. They are getting old, but it's well maintained country.
That's why I'm talking. The government of India should start some industries, and along with the education, they need some skills. They need some training first. After their training, they could join some industries. They will be employed. That is the not issue.
First thing that if the population will increase, the consumption of resources and all the things will increase, and when the consumption of everything will increase, then the production of everything will also increase, and when the production of everything will increase,
And if we
then there will be no employment.
Everything is increased. And it required more investment.
Your
So
voice
if
is not
we
clear.
have more youngsters, then there will be investment. No?
The higher rate population requires more investment. Investment is
If we will have more youngsters, then we will
Rajasthan is a poor
If we
village.
will have less number of
We
population,
already
then
have more
who will
youngsters.
be invest on us?
We already have more youngsters in our country.
Then our youngsters are
say the numbers of youngsters.
youngsters are totally developed.
You can
We
see
are
the numbers
trying
of
to-
youngsters in India.
If you are talking
Yes.
about educational, so I want to tell you that 77.6% of peoples are only got the education. 77.6%, and
How
this
you can say
is
I am
So
completely-
government should think about it.
Yes.
It's the not
We are
matter
not
of
saying that
students
government
or youngsters.
cannot run our
Government
country.
should think about
Sir,
this.
I support my friend line.
Just like you cannot reduce the voltage of the sun when it's hot, reducing the population is not an option.
We need to think something new. Not only sit
Today
as
we
a
are-
lockdown.
Today where one old person is seen in every 10 people, then every 6 person will be getting old.
And about 5 million of people had died only during Corona period. Then how you can say that population is the biggest issue of our country?
So you
And
the
in-
population
and
is
Uttar
all the
Pradesh-
issue of our country. So can you define it? What are the advantage of it?
Please explain your.
Yes, sir.
And Uttar Pradesh also high population in the India.
I want advantages of population. So can you tell me?
Advantages
And
of population. Population is very essential for our economy and society. If we will have more youngsters, then more foreign countries will be invest on us, and they will ask for their jobs and facilities.
I have already told you that we already have youngsters. But what are our youngsters doing?
So I have already explained you that government of India.
Youngsters have many skills. Youngsters have many skills.
You cannot say that youngsters are totally untrained and unskilled.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So I think as according to who is in against? Lalit?
Sir, I'm in the favor of.
I
You are in
am
the
also in
favor.
favor.
Just apply for
We are
Okay, so Lalit,
Application.
what's your question about to this term?
The policy of China that after their policy they have unbanned the policy. You can check
But according to one survey, in 2035, the India will become the most population country in the
it will
world.
be totally discrimination because it can increase a gender.
Okay, so what about Vaishnavi? What your view over here related to this point that population is a big burden for our country?
Yes, sir. The population control law are very important for this country and the state. The way the population increases, it will increase the saturity of water, forest land, which will increase unemployment in the country and the state. People will not be able to get food. The development of the people will stop.
Sir, I also want to tell something.
I'm respecting my class fellow's word, but I'm totally against of his word because she is saying that it is totally against of unemployment. I'm not satisfied with this.
Okay.
We are also saying that there will be shortage of water, food, oxygen, and
Yes,
land.
sir.
I would like to tell you about the
Also,
benefits
इससे
of the
environment को भी फर्क पड़ता है.
Support my friend line.
So we get
Like to clear my
oxygen
point
from
first.
trees and plants grow trees, and if the trees are cut, then we will have trouble breathing.
Okay, so I want to know about this portion from your seniors. Sana Ansari is there. So Sana, what's
Yes,
your
sir.
viewpoint on the population? What you have think?
Yes, the rapid population growth creates food problems, more and poverty also.
Okay.
So I would like to clear my sister's question, and as she has told that the growing population increases the poverty. I'm totally against of
Yes.
his words because I'm saying, as some people say, growing population decreases job opportunity, increasing population leads poverty, and some of them says increasing population leads starvation. why and a big why from my side to this. It is only because of lack of information provided to the public. As Government of India has launched many schemes like student loan, education at cheap cost for poor students, but they are not getting benefit of it.
Okay.
This is
So my question to Lalit, you have told over here that the lacking of the employment due to the lack of awareness, right? You have point out here, right? And you have think that Sana is wrong over here that if there is rapid increase of the growth of the population.
Some of them are safe. I'm totally
Okay. Okay, you have
I
said that.
told
So you have
some
to
of them are safe.
So you have said that some of are not aware of that policies, right? So how it
Yes,
will be
sir.
possible for that people, or how we will make
We
it
need to
possible for
encourage
that
them.
people?
We need to encourage them.
How?
Not we are taking
How?
over this.
How?
Sir, like if we are meeting towards our friend, they are very poor, and we need to tell something about them. That Government of India has launched many schemes like student loan. They can get the benefit of that. Not discouraging that population is the biggest issue of our country.
Okay. So my question is that you have said that we have ensuring that people's right, we have aware those people about this policy.
Yes,
right?
sir.
How and when it will be possible? I'm questioning is that how it will be possible for
When
that?
sir, main thing is that our country should our Indian government should literate the peoples, and they should be skilled, well skilled, and we should educate our people to utilize and analyze their powers and energy toward a
Okay.
productive way.
So as according to
There are
education.
backwardness,
Okay.
which is not.
Okay, Lalit, wait a second. Abhinav, as according to your friend,
sir.
Lalit said that we can
Yes,
educate the people. So where the population is to be problem for our country. There's an education is a problem for our country. That's right. When the people are not literate,
No,
so
sir.
it means that
not
education is a problem,
No, sir.
right? Your friend,
Government
taking
should-
away.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
but your friend
the
said that.
governments. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have not told that population
The
is the
government-
biggest issue, but government should employ
The
the
government
people
should invest more in education system.
Yes. So your
Yes,
friend
sir.
is
as well as in
is in front
education
of
also.
your
Yes,
friend
sir.
is in front of that population is not a problem over here, but he was
Yes, sir,
now
that's not the
changing
problem.
Point that
So how
Now he was
how
saying
anyone
it's
can
problem.
say that it's a problem?
Yes,
now
sir,
he
we
was
are
saying
asking
that
Sir,
we
just
can
like we
educate the
cannot,
people.
sir, just like we cannot reduce the voltage of the sun as we feel hot. So, sir, reducing
Okay.
the population
Yes,
is
sir.
not an option, I think.
Reducing the
And sir,
population
China,
is not a-
and sir, already China has gone in the number in the matter of number. But the second problem is arised. The family
Okay, I
is
think
badly broken.
your juniors and your classmates are to be stopped quite over here. So I asked to Mehak. Mehak, you are in favor or against of the population?
Sir, favor of the
Favor of the population. So as according to your classmates, right, as according to Lalit and Abhinav Avasti, they have said that the population is not a major problem over here. We can educate the people. Means they can
Yes, sir.
change their concept over here that we can educate the people. They can aware
We are
about
not
it, and
changing
then we
our
have
concept. Sir, we are changing our concept.
then we are neglecting or eliminating those points from our society. So what is your viewpoint? Yes, Mehak. What is your viewpoint on it?
Jay Pratap, are you here?
Sir, I can explain you.
Pooja Yadav, one senior is also there of you all.
Yes,
Pooja
sir.
Yadav, you can explain this. You are in favor of the population.
No, sir.
Sir, can I?
Okay, you are in against. So
I can
accept
explain you.
Sir, can I explain?
accept Lalit and Abhinav, who is in favor of population. That population is not a major issue of the unemployment. Who is in favor of this? Aditya Dixit. Mani, you are in against, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you are in against,
You are supporting the
Can I tell about policy?
yes, you can explain about the
Sir,
policy, but I want the answer of that.
Yes.
That you have explained here that the population, rapid population, increasing in population is not a major issue of the.
Yes, sir.
unemployment in our society, right?
Yes, sir. As the increasing in population, sir, because Uttar Pradesh educate everyone, then